Okay guys, this is my big boy toy. It's a Blackstone Griddle. And obviously it's the small one, the tabletop size. And we're gonna cook burgers today. And as you can see, I put a little butter down. These are my grass-fed organic burgers. I'm gonna put them on quickly and then I'm gonna smash them with this. So this is my burger smasher, and you should smash all of them at least a little bit, but I'm gonna smash mine extra. And as you can see, obviously I put the parchment paper on this so it won't stick. So as you can see here, these two are extra smashed because me and one of my sons likes them thinner, and my wife and my other son likes them a little thicker. We're gonna put some salt and pepper on each side. And on the other side, we'll do the same thing. Put salt and pepper, but I'll add a little bit of garlic powder.
Smells good.
So I cook it for 3 to 5 minutes, and I kind of watch the sides of the burgers, then I try to flip them over. And they're starting to get pretty juicy, so maybe I'll go ahead and flip them over now. And by the way, as you can see, this is cool. This is an extra large spatula made just for flipping burgers. More salt and pepper. And now garlic. And you don't want to put too much garlic, just a little bit. Just like a light dusting. As you can see, you have a lot of space here. You could easily cook 8 burgers. But there's only 4 of us, so we're cooking 4. So overall, this is pretty cool. I really like it. We put some cheese on and we melt the cheese on the burger just before we take them out.
You put it on this one? What's that? Thanks.
Juicy griddle burger. It's delicious.
I think he said he lives in the rocks.
So now this is the fun time, which is cleaning. I turned it on real low, so it can kind of heat up this oil. Use this scraper and start scraping all the food away from the sides to the middle. And then there's a little hole and there's a thing where it catches all the oil back there. Now I'm gonna add a little water. Now the griddle is kind of like a cast iron grill, so I'm using coconut oil to season this. Because if you don't, it'll rust. And now it's ready for the next time. Just kind of make sure there's no gas in the line.
Good.